Hello everyone, we are ASAP Technologies and we are introducing our product BrainCool, a thermoelectric brain hypothermia device. Our team consists of Hanan, Shivangi, Youssef, Wid, and Paula. Every year, there are 1.5 million cases of traumatic brain injuries in the United States, with over 50,000 deaths occurring and over 90,000 who suffer from long-term disabilities. Scientists have discovered that hypothermia treatment was a way to treat TBI. This process mainly focuses on cooling the body down to 33 to 35 degrees Celsius for a certain period of time. By decreasing the temperature, this will slow the metabolic rate of the body, which will allow the time for body and cells to recover to help lessen the severity of brain damage and maintain function. Current solutions in the market include RhinoChill, QuickCool, Pharyngeal Cuff, and CoolKit. RhinoChill is an intranasal cooling device that is inserted into the nasal passage where coolant is delivered and evaporated. QuickCool has a similar concept in which a balloon catheter is inserted into the nasal and saline solution is delivered. Pharyngeal cooling cuff is a cuff on the upper esophagus and pharynx that provide cooling through inner tissue. And CoolKit is a whole body cooling system that consists of a head wrap, vest, and lower body blanket. Although these devices provide hypothermia treatment, there were adverse side effects during clinical testing, such as shivering, headaches, rhinorrhea, nasal tissue damage, and signs of blood clotting. Thus, we like to introduce BrainCool, an innovative device that primarily focuses on the technology of thermoelectric cooling. Our device consists of a head and neck piece that connect to multiple Peltier coolers to a single power source. Inside a Peltier cooler are thermocouple systems of N-type and P-type junctions, sandwiched between two ceramic plates. According to the Peltier effect, when a current is passed through these plates, the electrons from the N-type transfer to the P-type. These flow of electrons allow the heat from one plate to dissipate to the other, allowing for cooling to occur. Furthermore, our device will also be targeting the carotid arteries. The temperature of the body is controlled by an organ in the brain called the hypothalamus. The internal carotid arteries connect to the superior hypophyseal arteries and directly connect to the hypothalamus. About 80% of the blood flow through the carotid arteries go into the brain. Thus, by cooling the carotid arteries, we can cool the blood flowing to the brain, lower the temperature, and provide hypothermia treatment non-invasively. After continuous revisions of our product, some of our final product specifications include a cooling rate of 1 degree Celsius per hour, adjustable comfortable material, it will provide spot cooling, it can be reliable, biocompatible, and is a non-invasive method, and many more. Our device will be used by physicians and nurses and paramedics in pre-hospital care, in emergency response units, and intensive care settings. Our materials will include parts that construct the Peltier coolers for both the head and neck devices, estimating the cost of $30 to $50. Lastly, as we continue to move forward, we plan to model our thermoelectric cooling device, develop a physical prototype, scale the dimensions for manufacturing, and then bring our device to the market. Thank you for joining and listening. We are once again ASAP Technologies.